Hey guys, just got the kids down and I looked in my fridge and here's what we got to get a quick prep dinner on the table. So I had some avocado salsa already ready to go. I have some of my purple cabbage that I have, that I have pickling. Chicken that I already have clean, prepped, and smashed with my hammer thing that I've showed you guys in the past. Ready to be sliced up in any satay or chopped into something and cooked. I like having it already ready to go in moments like now where it's been a long day and I just want to get a quick homemade meal on the table. I also, while my kids were in the tub, at that time I made some rice and I had some greens that I already had washed and chopped ready to go. So I just dumped them into a bowl. So when I look at my greens, the rice, chicken ready to go, little pickled cabbage going on, and my salsa, we're gonna make a little spin on a taco salad. So let's do this. Less than 10 minutes, I'm gonna have a beautiful, nutritious homemade meal on the table. Yay. So we got our chicken simmering in our mild taco sauce. Okay, so I've showed you guys this before. This is my go-to dressing. I have a clove of minced garlic, some mustard, about a teaspoon of mustard, salt, pepper, half a lemon's going in right now. While we're whisking, we're gonna pour in half a cup of olive oil to emulsify it, and that's my dressing. It's so yummy. Okay, so now, gotta use those biceps, those forearms, and you gotta whisk, woo! You wanna get that emulsification going. It's my workout for the day. You can already see it emulsifying. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of rice. I love a warm grain on a salad. It really grounds it. It makes it feel like you're having a hearty meal, and it's delicious. Okay, so we have our rice now. Our chicken does have our sauce in it. I don't want it to make our salad soggy, so I'm going to kind of try to shake it off. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. So to my salad, I added my pickled cabbage, my avocado salsa, I have my dressing, and in my pantry, I always have roasted like seeds, sesame seeds, pecans, walnuts, stuff like that. Now I have pepitas, which is great for a taco salad. So I'm gonna add some of these on top. Oh my gosh, adds a little bit of crunch, a little bit of salt, oh my gosh. And then on the side, I just made some quesadillas that I'll cut up into pretty little triangles with almond flour tortillas. And dinner is ready. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. Okay. Cheers, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another video. And I'll see you guys soon. Dinner time.